Hey guys, it's Blaine here again, your tech guide. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm just gonna keep you guys posted regarding the Black Friday sales coming up this week. So right now, I just checked on Amazon.ca and .com, and it looks like the Black Friday has already been started. And I've seen quite a bit of a great deal and discounted on the Samsung Watch 4 and Classics watches here. So as you can see on my left, this is the .ca, and then on my right is the .com. And for .com right now, if you want to purchase the Watch 4 in 40mm, it is almost $200 right now, $199.99. And they do have the Classic as well, the 46mm. It is $329. Regular price is $379. And if we scroll down here, we have the other color, or another 40mm, and the Classic 46. And they do have, okay, so this one is not on sale, the pink version, or the pink color, I mean. Okay, so those are the one that is on sale right now. They do have some active 2 as well. And yes, so those are the main sale right now on the .com, the 40mm and the 46 Classic Watch 4. Let me see if I click on this and see what kind of other options you have. Okay, so you do have other options here as well, the 44mm, and you do have the colors available: green, silver, and black. So those are on sale as well. And then let's check out the LTE. Okay, so LTE and the combination of Bluetooth with wireless charger, they are on sale right now, guys, for the Black Friday. So get going with that. If you guys are looking and been waiting for a great deal on the Watch 4, the best time right now is pretty much here, guys. So when it comes to .ca, you do have the 44 Watch 4 and the Classic on 46. They are on sale right now, $289. Regular price is $369 and $499. Oh, the Classic is not on sale, but let me see. Yeah, so it looks like on .ca, the Classic is not on sale. It's just the regular Watch 4. Okay, so you do have that LTE as well. Oh, LTE is no more stock for the LTE. 44mm. Okay, so for the 44mm Bluetooth, they're on sale, guys. So, if you guys are looking for it and you want great deals, the best time is right now, guys. So go check it out. I'll put the link on the description below where you can get them. And thank you for watching again. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.